Shine that way.
Marty, other bird. A.M.E. Other bitch, I go. Damn. Hey, stun on that bitch. Stun on that bitch. Smoking up the blunt, I'ma make another hit. Hey, bang. All on my dick, cause you see I'm getting rich. Hey, stain that nigga, then stun on that bitch. Bang, gotta stun on that bitch. Stun on that bitch. Run through this dope, I'ma need another zip. Stun on that bitch. That's your bitch, all on my dick. Steady calling this shit, tryna get rich, had to stun on that bitch. Hey, I'm on the road to riches, man, ain't stunning these bitches. I don't love these hoes, but I really love the pussy when I'm up in these bitches. And I'm coolin' with your girl, and I'm rolling all this dope, I'ma need a lot of swishes. She wanna take a lot of pictures, make a lot of movies, turn it to a motion picture. I had to stun on that bitch, up the bank roll like a gun on that bitch. First she said she ain't want me and shit, now I'm shining on her like the sun on that bitch. Marty dropped the top like the sun in the whip. Just hold the ice crumbs on my wrist. I see you niggas don't wanna get rich. I'm getting to this cake, boy, you kicking with a bitch. And I'm stunning on these hoes. I'ma need some toilet paper cause I'm taking me shit. Hey, but don't come around stunning cause you niggas got money, then I'm making you a lick. Got the cash and I'm baking you a brick. Don't be mad if I date your little sis, but I'ma pass up to the guys. And if he dunk, just call it a assist. And I don't rock polo, I rock Ferragamo, that's how I got your hoe. Niggas sold the mid, niggas sold the loud, niggas sold the pill, that's how we got the blow. Bang, where you been? They don't need to know. I be somewhere where it's hot and you cool in the snow. Or I'm probably with your pops and I serve in the cold. But I just got some ice to stun on my hoe. Hey, stun on that bitch. Hey, smoking up the blunt, I'ma make another hit. Hey, bang. All on my dick, cause you see I'm getting rich. Hey, stain that nigga, then stun on that bitch. Bang, gotta stun on that bitch. Stun on that bitch. Run through this dope, I'ma need another zip. Stun on that bitch. That's your bitch, all on my dick. Steady calling this shit, tryna get rich, had to stun on that bitch. Okay, stun on that bitch. Baby girl said she heartbroken, but it's come with that shit. Hey, finna get rich and I promise that shit. Man, said he was a dog, but I'm on the mic Vic. Nigga hit me up, asked did I fuck his bitch. Crazy thing about it, I ain't need fuck his bitch. That was my nigga, he was on some other shit. Now I'm looking at the nigga like he a fucking bitch. We be in the land, came in the mothership, came with his nigga bitch, left with another bitch. Pop a bed to these niggas and I want myself a bitch. I ain't fucking with these niggas on their Uncle Record shit. Said he got bricks, Staying that nigga, then sell it for the low. Niggas know the goal, keep making hits, keep flipping shit, have it coming on the boat. Can't trust these niggas, streets so cold. It don't really matter cause I came in with a coat. Niggas ain't bold, I stick to the code. These niggas gon' fold like a fucking envelope. I be high as hell, really in the sky. Niggas can't see me, tell her get a telescope. Had to get on that bitch. Rookie of the year, boy, I'm running this shit. I'm in a different lane, I had to switch gears. I'm worried about to shoot them, cut them niggas in the rear. I'm the fucking shit, If she act up, I'ma stun on that bitch. Hey, stun on that bitch. Hey, smoking up the blunt, I'ma make another hit. Hey, bang. All on my dick, cause you see I'm getting rich. Hey, stain that nigga, then stun on that bitch. Bang, gotta stun on that bitch. Stun on that bitch. Run through this dope, I'ma need another zip. Stun on that bitch. That's your bitch, all on my dick. Steady calling this shit, tryna get rich, had to stun on that bitch.